Very good morning, my dear lovely students. Now, this is Gurmeet Kalra. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter second, types of sentence. We can also know this as sentence its kinds. Okay, we can use both word types of sentence or its kind. So let's begin the chapter. A sentence is a group of words arranged in a sequence that convey a complete idea. It consists of a subject and predicate and express a complete meaning. For example, Ram plays cricket or Rohan is dancing in a train. Class, I know you all know this definition very well. We have already discussed this definition or sentence in a previous class in previous video in chapter first. So this is for a just back idea. So class, there are mainly four kinds of sentence. See, you know, here is a sentence. In sentence you know very well what is subject and what is predicate, but do you know what is the type of sentence? Or it is a statement, question or exclamation or imperative. So in this video we discuss about these all types. After this discussion, you will better know this sentence is a statement or question or exclamation or command sentence. Okay, so firstly we are going to discuss about the statement. A statement tells about something. A statement tells about something and it ends with a full stop. See, in the bracket here is a full stop. If in any sentence there is no any question or no anything, no any sudden feeling, it means this is a statement sentence. Okay, for example, I like guavas or Ram is going to home. In the simple sentence there is only full stop, nothing else, so it means it is a statement sentence. Now the second one, question. Ask something, it ends with a question mark. In question sentence we will ask something like what is the rabbit eating. We are asking someone now that what is rabbit eating or what is your name, for example, like this. Okay, and this sentence always end with a question mark. If in any sentence there is a question mark, it means it is a question sentences. Okay, now the third one, exclamation. In exclamation sentence it express sudden feeling like wow, what a beautiful flower, wow, what a watch. And one more thing, it ends with a exclamation mark. See, in the example, wow, what a beautiful flower. You always use the word now, wow, what a beautiful. As you know, in our school, there are so many beautiful flowers. So, it give the sudden feeling like ouch, it's hurting. Okay, and in this sentence we use a exclamation mark. See, in the bracket here is exclamation mark. If you see exclamation mark in any sentence, it means a sentence is about a exclamation. Okay, now in a fourth one, command or imperative. You can also call the sentence as imperative sentence. It give a command or make a request. In this sentence, here is a command or a request. If you request someone that please give me a glass of water, you know now in this sentence you are requesting. It means this is a command or imperative sentence. And one more thing, it also ends with a full stop. See, in the bracket here is a full stop, and in the sentence also the lastly here is a full stop. For example, please feed the dog. In this sentence we are requesting someone please feed the dog or give the food to the dog. Okay class, I have already given you some hint or some trick to know the difference between the sentence. In a statement, here is always a full stop. In question marks and in question sentences, here is always a question mark. This is the trick, okay? Class, note down in your mind one, okay? If you see in any sentence here is a question mark, it means it belongs to a question sentences. If you see the exclamation mark, then it belongs with the exclamation sentence, okay? And if you see here is any request or any command, that means it is a imperative sentence, okay? Class, please pause the video for 2 minutes to note down each and everything in the video. You have to note down the chapter name, chapter number, name, sentence definition, 2 examples, then 4 kinds of sentences, name with definition and with the one example. Okay class, thank you so much.